I'm trying to get my yard ready for fall. As you can see, I have my mums and kale in the containers. I have my pumpkin ornament decoration in the yard, my pumpkin decoration in the yard. And then I have some pansies and kale that I just planted. My vinca is still going strong from the summer. I couldn't bear take it out. Even my dianthus has some blooms. The catmint is almost over, so I need to really pull that, but I'm just too tired today. But it's beginning to look like fall in the yard.
My hibiscus is really blooming well. I think they like the cooler temperatures. I haven't seen this many blooms at one time.
I'm looking at my mums and my containers. They're looking very pretty.
The moms are more full in this shot because I recorded this a few weeks later. You can tell that they have really started blooming.
Here's the last of my okra, tomato, and bell peppers. This is the end of a harvest, and it was very nice having fresh vegetables in the backyard. Hey, welcome to Life with Miss D. Yes, the fall season is here. Summer is over. I'm still harvesting though, and I found some bell peppers that I didn't even know this was here until I looked, but there's a bell pepper, there's two. And I still have a few tomatoes. They haven't turned green yet. They haven't turned red yet. I don't know why it took so long for these to grow out here, but it did. But I know it looks like weeds. It looks terrible, and there are lots of weeds, but there are a few things to harvest. So let me grab these bell peppers. And this is one of the biggest ones I think I've grown right here. Pretty big size right there. And I'll go ahead and get this other one. I don't want to take a chance of some bug or something getting it. So there's two bell peppers. And I'll add that with the other vegetables that I've harvested. See, my begonia is still going strong. My hibiscus. My mom's came back from last year. Yeah, it looks messy. But this is what I've harvested from my garden. The tomatoes are still green, but they'll turn red eventually.